So guys, in this step I'm going to teach you how to solve the second layer of this Rubik's Cube. And to do this step, we have to search edge pieces that has to be in the second layer but are in the top layer. And we're gonna do this by applying a formula. And first we're gonna search the edge piece that has to be in the second layer but is in the top layer. And yes, here it is. This is orange and green, and it has to be brought on the left side, orange green. What we have to do is match the color facing you to the centerpiece, that is orange to orange, and green should be facing up. And facing this side, we have to start our formula, that is UI LI U L U F UI and FI. And as you can see that this edge piece has got in its correct place. And we're gonna do the same steps for the other edges. Now we're gonna search another edge piece, that is here, red and blue. And we can first we have to match this red to the center red, that is right here. So what can we do is rotate the upper layer twice and get this red matching this red and blue facing upwards. Now we can see that this also has to be brought to the left side. And we're gonna apply the same formula, that is UI LI U L U F UI and now FI. And as you can again see that we have got this blue red edge in its correct place. Now we're gonna search the third edge, and as we can see that there is no edge that has to be placed in the second layer. But these edges are in the wrong places in the second layer. So what we have to do is to first take these edge pieces out by making any other edge piece that is not meant to be in this place and applying the formula to get that piece in this place. And we're gonna so we can do this, that we can get this yellow blue in the place of green red, so that we can get green red in the upper layer. And as we know that we have to get this yellow red blue in the left place, so we're going to apply the same formula, that is UI LI U L U F UI FI. And now as you can see that we have got the red green piece in the upper layer. Now we're gonna match this green color to this green color, and again we can see that it's in the left place, and gonna apply the same formula, that is again UI LI U L U F UI FI. We've got red and green in its right place and have got out blue and orange in the upper layer. Now we're gonna do the same thing that we did to other edges, that match the blue color with the blue color and orange facing upwards, blue color facing you. And as we know, we have to take it again to the left place, applying the same formula: UI, LI, U, L, U, F, UI, FI. We know that we have done the second layer, but we have missed one formula. That is, if the edge piece has to be taken to the right place. The formula that I taught you was to take this edge piece to the left place. But there's another formula, that is to take this piece right here in the right edge. And yes, now we have got a situation in which red is matching red, green is facing upwards, but this time this red has to be brought on the right side. And to do this, we're gonna apply another formula, that is U R U I R I U I F I U F. And as you can see that we have got another edge piece in its right place by switching it in the right place. So now by this we have completed our second layer and have learned all the formulas that are needed to solve this second layer. Thank you so much, and please like the video and please subscribe for more interesting videos on different cube tutorials.